Hi guys, Barika here. In today's video, I'm going to unbox laptop accessories. Bago natin siya buksan, spray muna natin siya ng alcohol. Yes, spray. Disinfect na din natin siya. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Nasa description box ang shop link. Just check it out. 13 pieces silicone anti-dust plug stopper.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ultra thin webcam cover. (14-inch) LENOVO IdeaPad 320 colorful silicone laptop keyboard protector.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Product review na tayo! Yay! It fits so well. This silicone keyboard cover is much better than keyboard sticker. You can wash this keyboard silicone cover, then air dry.
May pasobra dahil special ka.
This silicone anti-dust stopper is quite good because it has access, but one of it's not fit well. Its purpose is to protect your camera and from the hacker. As you can see, it has already an ultra thin webcam sticker cover because I have already bought a year ago. This blue one, I will use this for my phone.